I'm here to explain about relations. Relations means these are order pairs. Order pair for x and y. Here relation is defined as R. Means R means relation, so x and y belongs to R. This is called relation. So here we have four types of relations. Reflexive, symmetric, antisymmetric, and transective. Reflexive means for all x belongs to A, x comma x belongs to R. R is a relation and x comma x means, for example, 1 comma 1, 2 comma 2. This is the example. For symmetric, for all x belongs to, we have to take two parameters, x comma y belongs to A, x comma y belongs to R, then such that y comma x belongs to R. Antisymmetric, for all x comma y belongs to A, x comma y belongs to R, such that y comma x belongs to R, but here x is equals to y. For example, 2 comma 3 and 2 comma 3 and 3 comma 2, x y, x and y. 2 is not equals to 3, so this is not antisymmetric. Transective means for all x comma y belongs to, we have to take three parameters, so x comma y belongs to A, so x comma y belongs to R, y comma z belongs to R, then x comma z. So y cancel, we should get x comma z belongs to R. That's all.